Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense, the YouTube channel where we have fun with the English language one lesson at a time. Today we're going to take a look at a new feature called Which One Does Not Belong? Which one does not belong? Yeah, you'll have 4 options to choose from. Are you ready? Your options are A, as well, B, also, C, furthermore, and D, too. Ooh, no, 2. Oh, yeah, 2 of them. 2. Got it? Which one does not belong? Think about it. Write it down. Say it out loud. Say it. Shout it from the rooftops. Did you say C? Furthermore? Ding, ding, ding. You are correct. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. You got it. Furthermore does not belong. As well, also, and too are all synonyms for one another. What's a synonym? A synonym is a word that means the same thing. Oh, for example, I'm going to the store. Would you like to come as well? I'm going to the store. Would you also like to come? I'm going to the store. Would you like to come too? See, they all mean the same thing. Why does English have 3 different words that mean exactly the same thing? I don't know, but now you can read and understand these sentences, I hope. I want to go to the zoo. Bill wants to come too. Way to go, Bill. Pete does as well. Do you also want to come? What? Let me say it one more time, okay? Getting closer. Oh, there's a glare. I want to go to the zoo. Bill wants to come too. Pete does as well. Do you also want to come? What? Come on, English. Yeah, they're all synonyms, all mean the same thing. Peace, friends.